This style is called the Beehive. The Beehive is similar to a bump it. This style can be used for wedding hair or just going out in the town with your girlfriends. Step 1. Cover loofah in a solid fabric that matches your hair. Step 2. Pull one small section of your hair forward and tease. Gather a second 1/2 inch section and tease. Continue 2 to 3 rows with back combing. Step 3. Add the loofah to your hair. Wherever you position the loofah is where the bump will sit. Cover the loofah with the pieces of hair and pin down. Just continue to cover and pin with hair until the loofah is completely hidden. Step 4. Pull pieces from the sides of the hair back to cover the sides of the bump. Doing this creates a beautiful shape. Step 5. You can choose to pull the back of your hair up or leave it down for a half up, half down look. If you have shorter hair, you can just ball up fabric instead of using the loofah and place under the tease sections. So your decision, but either short hair or long hair, this style works on. model with the long hair showing the Beehive was Robbie Woodson from the Beauty Bar. Short hair model was Tia Gunn from the Beauty Bar. Makeup done from Layla Kincannon at the Beauty Bar Salon and Boutique. The Beauty Bar Salon and Boutique is at 550 Sam Ridley Parkway, Suite 100 in Smyrna, Tennessee, 37167. Phone number 615-471-4752. Or you can always view us at www.thebeautybarsmyrna.com. Thank you.